Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Easy English, the place where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Diana.
And I'm Marcus. Hey everyone, we're so happy you're here today. Whether you're listening while walking, cooking, or just relaxing, get ready, because today's episode will be really useful in your daily life.
Yes, because today we're going shopping.
That's right, not just any shopping. We're going to the supermarket.
Exactly. In this episode, you'll learn real English phrases people use when shopping for groceries. So the next time you go to a store, you'll sound confident and natural.
And before we start, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Speak Easy English. It helps our channel a lot, and it means you'll never miss our next English lesson.
Alrighty. So, Marcus, are you ready for a little shopping trip?
Totally ready. I even brought my imaginary shopping list.
Perfect. Then let's go. Let's imagine we're walking into a supermarket together. Okay, Marcus, we just entered the supermarket. What's the first thing we usually do?
We need something to put our groceries in, so we grab a shopping cart or a basket.
That's right. A shopping cart, the big one with wheels, and a shopping basket, the small one you carry. Which one are you taking today?
Well, my list is small today, just a few items. I'll take a basket.
Good choice. I'll take a cart. I always buy more than I plan.
Same here. Okay, so where do we go first?
Let's start with fruits and vegetables. They're usually near the entrance.
Ah, yes, the colorful section. I love it. All the reds, greens, and yellows.
Exactly. So what's on your list, Marcus?
Let me check. I need apples, bananas, and yogurt.
Nice. That's a healthy list.
Try my best. How about you, Diana?
I need some milk, eggs, bread, and chicken for dinner.
Classic shopping list. Let's start with your favorite, fruits.
Look at these apples, red and shiny. Which ones do you like, red or green?
I like red apples. They're sweeter. Green ones are a bit sour for me.
Same here. Okay, let's pick 4 red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done.
Perfect. Next, bananas.
Right there, next to the oranges. Look how fresh they look.
Yeah, and they smell amazing. I'll take a bunch, maybe 5 bananas.
Good idea. Bananas are great for breakfast.
All right, I've got my apples and bananas. What about you, Diana?
Let's find the carrots. They're usually near the potatoes.
Ah, found them. Bright orange and crunchy.
Perfect. I'll take a small bag. Okay, fruits and veggies, done.
Awesome. So what's next on our list?
I think it's the dairy section for milk, eggs, and yogurt.
Right, let's head there. It's always cold in that part of the store.
Brr, you're right. The dairy section is freezing.
All the fridges and freezers keep the milk and yogurt cold.
Okay, here we go. Milk first. There are so many kinds. Full cream, low fat, almond milk, soy milk. Which one do you usually buy?
I usually get regular milk. What about you?
Same. I'll grab 1 big carton for the week.
Nice. Now, eggs, right next to the milk.
I need a dozen eggs. That means 12 eggs.
Good vocabulary word there. A dozen equals 12.
Exactly. And for listeners, you can say half a dozen for 6.
Perfect. Now, I need yogurt. Wow, look at all these flavors. Strawberry, blueberry, vanilla, mango.
So many options. What's your favorite?
Strawberry for sure. I'll get 2 small pots.
Nice choice. Okay, we've got milk, eggs, and yogurt. That's everything from the dairy section.
Wait, before we move on, can we just say, listeners, if you're enjoying this little shopping trip with us, don't forget to subscribe to Speak Easy English. We post fun and easy English podcasts every week, and your support helps us keep going.
Yes, and if you're listening on YouTube, click that bell icon too so you get notified when we upload a new episode.
Okay, Marcus, what's next on your list?
Bread?
Ah, the bakery section. My favorite. It always smells so good.
Ah, the bakery section. My favorite. It always smells so good.
Totally agree. I'll get one loaf of white bread for sandwiches.
And I think I'll grab some cookies. Look, chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, wow. They look delicious. Should we get some?
I think we deserve a small treat.
All right, cookies in the cart.
Okay, let's see what's left on your list.
I still need chicken for dinner. That means the meat section.
Perfect. Let's go to the meat counter.
There's the butcher. I'll say, hello, can I please have 2 chicken breasts?
Good example. Always polite and clear.
The butcher smiles, weighs the chicken, and says, of course.
And there you go. Chicken ready for dinner.
Perfect. That's everything on my list. What about you?
I've got my fruit, yogurt, and cookies. I'm good.
Nice. Now let's grab something to drink before checkout.
Yes, I'm getting thirsty. Let's go to the drinks aisle.
Okay, I see water, soda, and juice. What do you want?
Orange juice sounds great.
Here you go, a carton of orange juice for you. And I'll take a bottle of water.
All right, now I think we're ready to check out.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm great. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Beep, beep, beep. Your total is $32.45.
Can I pay with the card?
Sure. Insert your card here.
Beep. Done. Thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. 2 bags. Paper, not plastic.
Perfect. Have a great day.
And that's it. Our shopping trip is complete.
That was fun and super useful for learners. You just heard real English conversation for shopping.
Yes, and you can practice by repeating the sentences after us.
Exactly. Try saying, can I please have? How much is this? I'd like a bag, please.
Little by little, you'll sound more natural.
And if you found this episode helpful, make sure to subscribe to Speak Easy English.
Because every week we bring you new, easy, and fun English practice.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode at the supermarket.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
See you next time on Speak Easy English.
Marcus, let's say I can't find the bread section. I'll ask someone for help. Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
Perfect. And the staff might say, it's in aisle 5 next to the milk section.
So simple, right? Excuse me, where can I find is a powerful phrase you can use anywhere. Supermarket, mall, airport, anywhere.
Yes, learners. Remember this. Excuse me, where can I find blank? It's polite, easy, and works every time.
Let's do a few more examples. Excuse me, where can I find sugar? Excuse me, where can I find fruits? Excuse me, where can I find shampoo?
And you'll often hear people reply with, it's in aisle 3. It's near the frozen section. It's right behind you.
That happens to me a lot. I ask someone and the thing is right there.
Same here. Okay, now let's move to the checkout counter. You're done shopping, your cart is full, and you're about to pay. Here's how you can talk politely.
The cashier might say, "Hi, did you find everything okay?"
You can reply, yes, thank you. Everything was great. Or, actually, I couldn't find the rice.
Exactly. These small conversations show confidence. Even simple English can make you sound friendly and fluent.
Yes, confidence is not about big words. It's about connection.
Let's do a short role play. Ready, Diana? Always ready.
Hi, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. Oh, and where can I find reusable bags?
They're right next to the counter.
Oh, great. I'll take one, please.
Sure, that'll be $25 in total.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too.
Simple, short, and friendly. This is the kind of English that builds your fluency.
Exactly. And listeners, if you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Speak Easy English. We upload fun, real English podcasts every week to help you speak English easily and confidently.
Let's quickly review some useful words from today. Aisle, pronounced I. the path between shelves in a store. Checkout counter, the place where you pay for your things. Reusable bag, a bag you can use again and again.
Great. And phrases like, excuse me, where can I find? Did you find everything okay? Are super natural for real-life English conversations.
Yes, and remember, English fluency isn't about speed. It's about comfort. If you can speak slowly, clearly, and naturally, that's already success.
Exactly. So don't rush your English. Enjoy the process, just like shopping slowly and enjoying your day. Marcus, can I tell you a funny story?
Of course.
So once I was shopping in London, and I saw two kinds of milk, whole milk and skimmed milk. I didn't know the difference, so I asked the cashier, "Excuse me, what's the difference between these two?" And the cashier smiled and said, "One makes you happy, the other makes you healthy."
That's a great answer. And see, that's the beauty of asking questions. You learn something and you connect with people.
Exactly. English is not just about grammar. It's about connecting with people's smiles, humor, and kindness.
To everyone listening, don't be afraid to speak. Even if your sentence isn't perfect, it's okay.
Yes, mistakes are normal. When you talk at the supermarket, in a cafe, or anywhere, focus on communication, not perfection.
That's right. Confidence grows with practice. The more you speak, the more natural it feels.
And remember, when you listen to podcasts like Speak Easy English, you're already training your ear and improving your vocabulary naturally.
Okay, let's continue shopping. Let's say you see a product but can't find the price tag. What do you say?
You can ask, "Excuse me, how much is this?" Or, "Could you tell me the price of this?"
Perfect. And sometimes they'll reply, "It's $5.99," or "It's on sale today."
Ooh, I love sales. Marcus, what's your weakness? Snacks or ice cream?
Definitely snacks, especially chips and cookies.
I knew it.
So before we head to the counter, remember these English points. Always start politely, excuse me. Don't worry about accent. Clarity matters more. Enjoy the conversation. Smile when you talk.
Beautifully said. And if you're learning with us, make sure to subscribe to Speak Easy English. It really supports us and helps us make more free lessons like this for you.
Yes, and share this episode with your friends who are also learning English, because learning is more fun together.
Okay, friends. In the next part, we'll take you to the checkout and post-shopping conversation, how to ask for bills, payment options, and how to say goodbye politely in English.
Until then, practice what we talked about today. Maybe visit a supermarket near you and try these phrases in real life.
You'll be surprised how confident you'll feel.
We'll see you in the next part.
And don't forget, subscribe to Speak Easy English.
Keep speaking easy and keep smiling.